So guess what, my friends? I actually got it. The ASUS ROG phone. Take a look at this. The RGB on the back lights up. If that's not the coolest thing ever, I don't know what is. Oh my god. Guys. Something awesome just happened. I got a knock on the door. By the time I opened it, the delivery guy was already gone, but I got a box, and I'm almost positive I know what's inside. So let's go check it out. So, I got it. We actually got the ASUS ROG phone. I ordered this only like 2 or 3 days ago, and I got this thing delivered like a week before most people around the world are able to order this. The reason why I was able to get this thing was I didn't order it off of ASUS's website. I went on eBay and I saw a Taiwanese company where Taiwan is where ASUS is located. I guess they get the phone early there and probably in a couple other countries around the world. So I ordered it from there. It only took like 3 days to ship. That's insane. Less than that, like 2 days to ship. All the way from Taiwan. And I have the ASUS ROG phone. Let's go open it up. Let's go see what's inside. I'm so excited. I've probably not been this excited since I got the Razer phone a year ago now. This is the box. Oh my god, it looks awesome. This looks so freaking cool. And then, here we go. This is all the contents that are inside the box. It looks like we have the phone in the center. And then on this side, this is probably gonna be your cords and power adapters and stuff like this. And then, oh, okay, so this is one of the main selling points of the ASUS ROG phone. There is a special fan that you can get with your phone, and this fan will allow the phone to cool down when you're playing games for a long period of time. If you're a competitive gamer, right, you're playing a game like PUBG Mobile, for example, for many hours at a time, you're gonna need something to cool your device down, or else it's gonna get really hot, it's not gonna perform as well, and your phone's battery is gonna go down a lot. But this thing actually prevents that from happening. You can just open it up like that. You can slide it right into the phone. And the cool thing is, with this special little adapter that I hope you guys can see there, that actually will connect right up to the phone, and then that will get the fan to start working. So, before we actually take out the phone here, it looks like we got ourselves another little box, and inside this box, we have a very cool looking charging port, which says Republic of Gamers right on it, because you know we're all about the gaming scene. Oh my god, I dropped it. And then also, I believe we have a very nice cable that looks very similar to the cable the Razer phone has. Looks like that's not a cable that's gonna really break it all. It's a very nice cable, I guess. That's basically what it has. And I believe that's it for the other box. So, moment of truth. Now we actually get the phone. Gonna take it out here. Oh my god. This is the ASUS ROG phone. Oh god, the reflection. It looks like it's gonna be a very reflective phone, but then again, it doesn't really matter. Oh my god, this phone looks so cool. There's so much writing on it, which, never mind, that's a sticker. I can take that off. This is it. This is the ASUS ROG phone. Super reflective back, as you guys could see there. There's the front. You can even see, wow, look at that. Super reflective. And hopefully there's some battery in it. If not, then I might have to go cut the video. Oh yes, okay, it says powered by Android. Nice. I'm gonna actually switch the camera view and show you guys the phone when I start it up. Just look at that. Oh my god. This thing looks so cool. So when I turn on the power button, it says powered by Android, but then look at this. Gives you that Republic of Gamers logo. Very, very nice. Dang. That's cool. So it's loading up. Yeah, okay. It's in Chinese. That's just because since I did get this from Taiwan, so I hopefully can change that down to English. I have to say this is kind of interesting. Look, so when you copy your data, you can copy it from an iPhone. I don't know if that's common with most Android devices, but if not, that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna set it up as new for right now, and then we can actually see what the phone looks like on the main screen. Okay, here's one of the cool things when setting up. Pretty much every step I've gone through so far is pretty normal. Face ID, setting it up with a password and stuff like that. But air triggers. You can set up your air triggers with a different force level because as we know, with the ASUS ROG phone, you actually have these special little customizable triggers, I guess they're here and here, where when you're playing a video game, you can press here, maybe like an aiming button and a shoot button, and I don't know, that's just one of the main things about this phone that makes it unique. It allows you so your finger doesn't cover up so much of the screen, and you can see people a little bit better. You can hold your phone more like this when you're actually running around playing a game like PUBG, as opposed to this, where your fingers are covering a lot of your screen. So with my force level, I feel like I play games kind of harshly, so I'm gonna apply it like this, right in the middle, and then, all right, let's just go continue on with the setup process. All right, guys, so here we are on the actual first impressions of the phone. Now, I want to apologize if that unboxing you guys just saw earlier was a little bit iffy. I'm not a unboxing channel, okay? I want to make that clear. I don't really know how to make something like this look professional. I'm kind of just winging it, so don't take anything too seriously if I screw anything up here. But I do want to give you guys some stats on this phone. It has 512 gigabytes of internal storage, which you guys can see here if I go over to my settings. Look at this. I have 496 available, and that's due to the fact that they actually install some stuff onto your phone before you actually start loading it up. Stuff like Asphalt 9 and Free Fire are games that are already preloaded, so you can delete those if you don't play them, but I mean, still, 500 gigabytes, that's absolutely freaking insane. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the most powerful phone that is currently out in the market today. Razer phone, that thing is old news. Now, I don't know about the Razer phone 2, it's the second edition one that's coming out, but for right now, this thing is the most powerful one that's available in the market today. We should probably look at the camera here. I haven't actually tested out the camera yet, so we can take a picture and test this out and see how the quality of the picture is. It's pretty decent. It's not the best camera for sure. I have an iPhone that I use as my main phone, and I will definitely be using my iPhone more for regular picture taking and stuff like this. But then again, this is a gaming phone, right? You're probably not going to be using this so much for taking pictures as you would for true gaming. And that's where this comes into play. Look at the game center here. It gives you all of your stats on your phone, kind of similar to something on the Razer phone, but if you press this, X mode turns on the RGB on the back. It boosts your phone's performance. It's going to decrease your battery life a lot pretty quickly compared to what it would be without this X mode on. If you put the fan on, you can turn the fan speed to low to high, stuff like that. Auto lighting. You can customize your lighting, which I think is freaking awesome, but we're going to turn this off just for right now since we're not really playing any games right now. You got your fingerprint sensor right there, your camera's right there. I think it looks really, really cool. The design of how this is, it's just a really unusual looking phone. Honestly, I mean, it's a big phone, right? Look at the size of it on my hand here. That's really, really a big phone, but it's just a really rugged and different looking phone design, and I think that's why I like this thing so much. So there are those air triggers that we all know and love about this thing. I haven't tested them out yet, obviously, but you basically can hold your phone like this, right? Whereas normally with a video game, you'd have your firing button maybe like right there, your aiming button, and then movement there, and your thumbs are blocking a lot of the screen, or maybe you play with the claw method. Look at how much of the screen is blocked with your hands. If you have air triggers, they actually sync up to a certain part on your phone, so you can just press this on the top of your phone, and it will sense the pressure, and then it will actually allow you to have more of your phone's screen there without it being blocked by your hand, which I think is pretty freaking cool. Now, you get 100 free gigabytes of Google Drive storage, which is freaking awesome. I think that's definitely a plus with this thing. And other than that, there's not really too much else we could possibly talk about here. Right at the very beginning, it installs a lot of this stuff here that you can delete if you want to. Like, I mean, I'm probably not going to be using Facebook on this phone. Instagram, yeah, I might, but Facebook Messenger, stuff like that, probably not going to be using
using that. This is going to be used mainly for YouTube, but what I might do, and I don't know, if you guys think I should do this, let me know down below. I might get a SIM card for this thing, put a SIM card in and start to use this as a regular phone and just see how it works in everyday use. But if that actually happens, then I could do a full review talking about this, like, you know, maybe like a week after I have used this thing for a while. I can give my full in-depth review on this thing. But yeah, with that being said, that's basically it here. We don't really have much else we could possibly say. I gotta say, the coolest thing for me right now, just right off the bat, is the RGB on the back. I know I'm a little kid, but guess what? It's cool, alright? It looks really freaking cool. I love how it says Republic of Gamers right here too. If I can get it to focus. You know, it's not gonna make you look like a regular peasant phone user. No, no, no. People want to be known as the true gamers, and my God, this phone does that. So, yeah, I don't really have much else I could possibly say here. I just wanted to show you guys my first impressions here on the ASUS ROG phone. I got it like a week before this thing is going to be released in the United States. I'm assuming it's probably the same date in most other countries around the world. The reason why, as I said, I was able to get this was I went on eBay to something called PlayPhone. I'm going to link it down below in the description if you guys want to get this, because it only took me like 2 days. 2 days from Taiwan to ship all the way to Florida. That's pretty impressive, okay? So you might even be able to get this thing earlier for yourself as well. So yeah, expect a lot of videos coming out very soon with this phone, focusing on this phone. Subscribe down below, leave a like for more videos with the ASUS ROG phone. So much hype around this phone right now, and it's pretty freaking awesome. So thank you all for watching, guys. Hope you did enjoy. If you have any tips also on how to make a proper unboxing video like this in the future, let me know, alright? I need to watch more Unbox Therapy and NKBHD and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you all for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next episode.